So welcome students to my channel once again. In this video I have brought this question for you all. So look at the question. If in a GP means geometric progression, if in a geometric progression the p plus qth term is a means small a, and the p minus qth term is small b, then pth term is, four options have been given. We have to find which one is the correct. Okay, ab whole to the power 1 by 3, ab whole to the power 1 by 2, ab whole to the power 1 by 4, and ab whole to the power 1 by 5. Okay, if in a geometric progression the p plus qth term is a and the p minus qth term is b, then pth term is, four options have been given. We have to find which one is the correct option. Clear? So I am doing the solution. Watch it very carefully. Acha, let us assume, let the GP be x, this is the first term, then xy, then xy square, then xy cube. In this way it will continue. Okay, let this be the GP. Okay, x, xy, xy square, xy cube, and this way continue. Okay, so here p plus qth term, we denote by this t in the suffix p plus q. Okay, so p plus qth term would be xy to the power p plus q minus 1. This is the p plus qth term. Okay, no problem. And p minus qth term, p minus qth term would be xy to the power p minus q minus 1. Okay, this is the p plus qth term, this is the p minus qth term. Okay, now by the problem, this p plus qth term is a, that means this one would be a, that means xy to the power p plus q minus 1 is a. Name it as equation 1. Okay, and p minus qth term is b, that means this one is b. xy to the power p minus q minus 1 is b. Name it as 2. Okay, acha, we have to find the pth term, right? So now, okay, now what will I do? Equation 1 divided by equation 2. Okay, so what was equation 1? This one is equation 1. xy to the power p plus q minus 1, xy to the power p plus q minus 1 by xy to the power p minus q minus 1 is equal to a by b. Okay, equation 1 versus equation 2, this one would be okay, so x will cancel each other. Okay, so it would be y to the power, base is same, powers are different. In case of division, power gets subtracted, we know. So it would be p plus q minus 1, p plus q minus 1 minus p minus q plus 1, p minus q plus 1 is equal to a by b. Okay, no problem. So it would be y to the power p plus q minus 1 minus p plus q minus 1 is equal to a by b. So here you see minus p plus p will cancel each other. Okay. Achha, sorry. Here it is, you see p minus q minus 1. So here in the bracket would be p minus q minus 1. Okay. Y to the power p plus q minus 1 minus p minus q minus 1. Okay. So it would be minus minus, it would be plus 1. Minus minus, it would be plus 1. Okay. So plus 1 minus 1 also will cancel each other. So ultimately y to the power 2q is equal to a by b. So from here we can write y is equal to a by b to the power 1 by 2q. Can I write? Y to the power 2q is equal to a by b. So y is equal to a by b whole to the power 1 by 2q. Name it as equation 3. Okay? Clear? Again from equation 1. From equation 1. What was equation 1? Equation 1 was xy to the power p plus q minus 1 is equal to a. So from equation 1 we can write xy to the power p plus q minus 1 is equal to a. So from here we can write x is equal to a by y to the power p plus q minus 1. I can write, no problem. Okay. So from here we can write a, y is equal to a by b whole to the power 1 by 2q. So in place of y I can replace y by this. In place of y I can write a by b whole to the power 1 by 2q. In place of y I can definitely write this, because in equation 3 you see a by b whole to the power 1 by 2q. Okay, so in place of y I am writing, this. Okay, then we have the power of p plus q minus 1. So p plus q minus 1. Okay, here you have to write using equation 3. Okay, so from here we can write x is equal to, this is all x. Okay, a by a to the power p plus q minus 1 by 2q. A to the power this. Okay, a to the power this by p plus q minus 1 by 2q, b to the power this. Okay, clear? Acha, this can be written as a into b to the power p plus q minus 1 by 2q divided by a into b to the power p plus q minus 1 by 2q whole divided by a to the power p plus q minus 1 by 2q. Okay, So this would be a to the power 1 minus, here the power of a is 1, here the power of, in case of division power gets subtracted, we all know, p plus q minus 1 by 2q into b to the power p plus q minus 1 by 2q. Okay, clear? B, here the power of a. Okay, so x is equal to a to the power, LCM would be 2q minus p minus q plus 1. Okay, 2q minus p minus q plus 1. Okay, into b to the power 2q p plus q minus 1. Okay, so it would be a to the power 2q minus q is q minus p plus 1, a to the power q minus p plus 1 into b to the power 2q p plus q minus 1, p plus q minus 1. Okay, so ultimately x is equal to a to the power q minus p plus 1 into b to the power p plus q minus 1. A to the power q minus p plus 1 whole divided by 2q into b to the power p plus q minus 1 whole divided by 2q. Name it as equation 4. Okay, now what do we have to find? We have to find the, what has been asked us to find? Pth term. We have to find the pth term. So pth term will be xy to the power p minus 1, right? Achha, what is x? X is this one, a to the power q minus p plus 1 into b to the power q p plus q minus 1. Okay, into y. What was y? Y was this one, a by b whole to the power 1 by 2q. Achha, a by b whole to the power 1 by 2q. Okay, this one was y, but here we have the power of y to the power p minus 1. The power of y over here is p minus 1. So this is the value of y, p minus 1, p minus 1. Okay, okay, now here we have to write using equations 3, we got this value using equations 3 and 4. Okay, you have to write this. Okay, so now pth term, we are trying to find the pth term. Okay, so a to the power q minus p plus 1, q minus p plus 1 by 2q into b to the power p plus q minus 1 by 2q. okay, into A. The power of A would be P minus 1 by 2Q, okay, 2Q by P minus 1. The power of B would be also P minus 1 by 2Q. Okay, clear? Okay, now in case of multiplication, A, base is same, power gets added. Okay, we know power gets added in case of multiplication when the base is same. So it would be A to the power Q minus P plus 1 plus 2Q by P minus 1. Okay. In case of division, power gets subtracted when the base is same. Base is same, B, P plus Q minus 1 by 2Q minus 2Q by P minus 1. So it would be A to the power 2Q, Q minus P plus 1 plus P minus 1 into B to the power 2Q P plus Q minus 1 minus P plus 1. Okay, so here you see minus P plus P cancel, plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Here also minus 1 plus 1 cancel, minus P plus P cancel. So it would be A to the power Q by 2Q, Q by 2Q, 2Q by Q into B also to the power Q by 2Q. Okay, so Q will cancel each other, Q will cancel each other. So ultimately A to the power half into B to the power half. This is the P. We are trying to find the pth term. Okay, so that means we can write this AB whole to the power half. So pth term is coming out as AB whole to the power half. So that means option number B is the correct option. Clear? Thank you.